Hey everyone! Welcome to our SRCS channel once again. Did you get bored of watching our previous vlogs? Well, here we are to fill your life with joy and excitement once again. Welcome to the Business Fest 2024.
Through this video, we'll help you touch the soft fabrics of the handicrafts, tasty and delicious desserts and dishes.
This is not just a fest, but a platform for collaboration, empathy, and learning.
Let's dive in. Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning to you.
Sir, first of all, I would like to thank you and show you the heartiest gratitude for allowing this fest. This fest has not just helped us but understand how the students can learn and use their creative minds for making different items.
First, thank you that you all are doing very well, and so far you have told that naturally it develops the creativity, social skill, and it will build the confidence in you, and you all will become self-dependent, and it will make you a perfect human being. That's all, and you all have done extremely well, and I'm very happy.
A very cheerful morning, ma'am.
Morning to you. It is a crucial event, one of our important events of our school. It has become so for the past 2 years because this helps to showcase the talent and skill of the students of Sri Ram Centennial School. We can see that you can see the chefs here, the artists there. They have made their paintings and handicraft products. So they are able to showcase their talent. Not only that, we have our musicians as well. So not only is showcasing the talent, also you can see that they are selling their products. So they learn the nuances of business. Whatever skills and talent they have, it is something which they can actually make into earning as a part of their livelihood as well, or maybe an entrepreneurship. They can be an entrepreneur later on in life. So these all help them to gain more confidence for within themselves, and then understand that whatever they learn in school is actually something which is going to help them later on in life.
Beautiful and colorful. Let's move on to another stalls too. Wow, this looks so beautiful and colorful. What is this?
So hello, my name is Anya, and today I have prepared many types of nail arts, and this is a unique idea which I have thought of. It's even more unique by making people's hands beautiful and adding more elements on it.
Hey, we are having exciting game counters as well. Let us approach it and ask what the teacher thinks about it. Good morning, ma'am. As we know, you're a teacher of economics, ma'am. Ma'am, what do you think this fest promulgates the feeling of financial awareness in children?
Actually, this is the business fest, that is exhibition cum sell, and it is organized by the students only of our school. They are making the products as well as they are explaining in the terms of exhibition, and they are selling their products as well as they get to know what would be the price of the product according to the profit, cost and all, and how much they are earning. So that is encouraging them how to earn and what is finance, what is money, what is costing. So it will give financial literacy to them and they will explore in their life.
See such a beautiful folder in your hand. Can you please show us that folder? Ma'am, what is the cost of this folder?
I bought it from this school only. Class 8 students have prepared this, and I bought it for 150. See?
feel it is very cheap for the price, and this work, it looks amazing. Sir, do you think the fest is up to the mark, and what do you think? How will it help the students?
Right now, fest is going well. Games are also there, and students are playing the games. And about the fest, it is a very important for us students that it will create creativity.
इस पूरे जो हमारा जो ये महोत्सव है और उस महोत्सव को मैं इतने अच्छे से महसूस कर रही हूँ.
The most important interesting thing that I find is when we talk about, especially when I talk about the Make in India, and we can see that the students, the children have made a very different products, okay, and from that we can clearly see their hard work, and especially all those products are, especially that the handicraft products are there, and that's a very interesting.
Okay, the fest is really nice. The students have done a really good job over here. It's all looking very nice. It's well organized, and I wish you all a very good luck. Have a good day, beta.
Thank you, sir.
What was one big challenge that you overcame to hold this fest?
Maybe the biggest challenge which I faced was managing everything because the students were so enthusiastic. You understand? Most of the students were willing to participate, so it was very difficult for us to manage all of them. And that way we even took help of the senior students who all helped us very nicely. But that was the biggest challenge, I think. Otherwise, everything was in place and the students were cooperating. They were that was the only problem.
Ma'am, आपने यहाँ पे क्या games try किया है?
हाँ किया है.
Ma'am, now I challenge you to play that game, and आपको जीतना पड़ेगा उस game.
Okay.
Let's go. We have to play this game, hit and get. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Why shall all the fun be restricted to the game counters? Let us go to some teachers and ask them some tongue twisters and see if they can repeat it. Ma'am, I would like to play a game with you. Ma'am, I'll ask you a tongue twister and see if you can repeat it. So ma'am, your tongue twister is चंदू के चाचा ने चंदू की चाची को चांदनी रॉक में चांदी की चम्मच से चटनी चटाई.
Okay, fine. चंदू के चाचा ने चंदू की चाची को चांदनी रात में चांदनी चौक में चांदी की चम्मच से चटनी चटाई.
Wow ma'am, you really repeated that as it was. Thank you ma'am. Let's proceed with some more opinions about how the business fest is going. Ma'am, आपको business fest कैसा लग रहा है?
मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है क्योंकि पिछली बार से बहुत ज़्यादा वैरायटी दिख रहा है. बच्चे बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करके ऑर्गेनाइज किया है उन लोगों ने.
बच्चे हर एक साल की तरह इस साल बहुत जोर से अपने आप को इन्वॉल्व करके रख रहे हैं और पिछले साल से बहुत बेटर हो रहा है. बच्चे का एक तो एकेडमी डेवलपमेंट होता ही है और इस बिजनेस फेयर से उनका जो कोकुलर एक्टिविटीज़ बढ़ता है और अपने आप को हर एक फील्ड में वो आगे करता
जो है. बहुत सौभाग्य है कि बच्चे स्कूल में पढ़ रहे हैं, अच्छी शिक्षा ले रहे हैं और शिक्षा सिर्फ किताबी ही नहीं, सामाजिक भी शिक्षा, रहन सहन कैसे होता है उसके विषय में जो है ये सब फेस्टिवल होने से जो है सब पता चलता है. यह बच्चे को हमेशा आगे की ओर रास्ता दिखाने का उत्तम केंद्र है.
Okay, so we just had one tongue twister till now. That's not enough. Let's move forward and irritate little of our teachers a little more. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, we want to play a small game with you. We will give you a tongue twister and you'll have to repeat it. Sir, so your tongue twister is पीतल के पतीले में पपीता पीला पीला.
पीतल के पतीले में पपीता पीला पीला.
आपका second try was very good. Thank you, sir.
So I will give you a tongue twister and you have to say it. So the tongue twister is पीतल के पतीले में पपीता पीला पीला. Now it's your turn.
पीतल के पपीते में sorry. पीतल के पपीते में something.
No.
पीतल के पतीले में पपीता पीला पीला.
Wow, ma'am, wonderful.
We just saw a parent perform very nicely on the stage. Let us ask him how he feels about the fest. Sir, we just saw that you performed such a great performance there. How do you feel about it?
बहुत उत्साहित हूँ, बहुत प्रभावित हूँ। यहाँ के विद्यालय के प्रांगण में आके एक नई आगाज़ दिख रही है, एक टोटलिटी यहाँ पे नज़र आई। I mean to say, apart from the teaching and all kind of activities, I find really over here within the campus.
Sir, we know that Business Fest has been a very good thing for the students. They have enjoyed themselves. But sir, did you enjoy yourself today?
I enjoy a lot.
Finally, we have come to an end of our vlog. However, this is not an end. Actually, the parents, as you can see, are all over the stalls and devouring the delicious food stalls. However, now we shall end our vlog. It was really good to have a peace of mind of parents, have them participate, have the students participate, and really, it was a very good opportunity for all of us.
Also, a very big thank to our school, our principal ma'am, our director sir, and to all the students who have made this day possible. They have taught us to grow, learn, and flourish in our lives together. So, a very big thank you.